Your SimpleFit library is where you can save your custom-made items, from simple exercise movements to entire workout routines, or individual food items to entire meal plans. For example, click on Custom Movements, and then click on the Add Movement button. For this library category, you can specify what kind of exercise you are creating. After entering the information for the custom movement, click Save and the new library item is created. Other types of library items are created in the same way. Your library items will be available to you when building your client's workout or nutrition program. When you add an exercise to a client's workout, your custom movements will show up in the list of movements to choose from. Custom movements have an icon next to them that indicates they are from your library. You also have the option to load any notes it may have. Day routines can be loaded from your library by clicking on the drop-down menu for the individual workout day. You can scroll to the library item you want, or search for by typing the first few letters of its name. To load an entire custom workout program from your library, go to More Options drop-down at the upper right and choose Get Weekly Routine. This will replace your client's current workout routine with one you select from your library. Custom food items, meals, and meal plans in your library can be used when working on your client's nutrition program. If you have custom food items you have saved in your library, typing the name in the Add Food pop-up will display them. To get an individual meal from your library, click on the Get a Meal button. To load an entire meal plan, click on the More Options menu and then choose Get Meal Plan. Although you can build a custom item from scratch in your library, you can also choose to save items to your library while working on a client's program. For example, if you are working on a meal for a client's meal plan, and you want to save that meal to your library, you can select Save Meal to Library from the menu options for that meal. To save an entire meal plan to your library, click on More Options and choose Save Meal Plan. To save individual food items, in the Add Food pop-up, click on the Save to My Library button. While working on a client's workout routine, you can save custom items to your library in the same way. For your custom movements, in the Exercise pop-up you can click on Save to My Library. To save a day routine to your library, click on the menu option for that day and choose Save Day Routine. To save an entire workout program, click on the More Options drop-down and choose Save Weekly Routine to Library. The last library category is for creating articles. You can create articles for only your clients to read, or articles that can be shared with anyone. To create a new article, click on Blog/Articles and then click on Add Article. SimpleFit will load the word editor you can use to create a rich content article. This editor contains the basic tools found in all Word programs, such as those used to make text bold, a certain color, or to create a bulleted list of items. There are 3 main options for your article. If you choose to pin it, clients will always see it at the beginning of your article list. If you set your article to client only your clients will have access to it. You can also set your article to live. Your article will not be available to anyone until you set it as live, so you can work on an article over time and make it live only when you are ready. Clients can view a list of your live articles in the SimpleFit client app. Choosing Settings, Trainers, and then clicking on your name will show your articles below your trainer contact information. If you want to make your article available to anyone and not just to clients, make the article live and set the client-only option to No. When those 2 options have been set, a shareable link will show. Anyone you share the link with will be able to access that article.